Hey guys, for today's video, we are gonna do something different. So I posted this video on Instagram right here. I posted this video on Instagram and I told my followers that I had not scrunched my hair since high school and I was gonna try it in this video. And it actually turned out okay. It looked kind of beach wavy, and all my life I thought I had straight hair, but the internet has told me I have wavy hair type 2. I think people are saying 2A maybe, I don't know. So I've been lied to all my life by all my hairstylists pretty much. So that's what this video is going to be about. We are going to be trying a scrunch method to see how it looks on my hair. And yeah, you guys can follow along on this wavy hair journey that I'm about to embark on. So first thing I needed to do, the internet told me that I was not using the right hair products, and they didn't really give suggestions. So I kind of left it up to myself to go find some new hair products. On our way to Ulta. It gives me anxiety filming in places like this, but I'm gonna do it for y'all. To say I was overwhelmed at Ulta would be putting it lightly. So I think I need a co-wash, a mousse, and like a curl cream. Okay, Curlsmith sounds promising. All right, I also found this. I don't know. That looks promising, this packaging, doesn't it? So the brand Rizos curls stuck out to me. I barely had any service in the store, so I was trying to like quickly Google all of these brands to see who had the highest rating. And Rizos curls had really good ratings. Now I gotta restock on my fave. I'll show you guys what I got. I used this last night. This is the Rizos Curl shampoo and conditioner. It's not sponsored. So you're supposed to be using products like without sulfates, silicones, parabens, and this is free of all that. So I don't know, we're gonna try it. People in my video on Instagram also said, girl, you need to use a mousse and a curl cream. So I picked up a mousse and a curl cream, also by the same brand. People were like, girl, also detangling spray, make sure you throw that in there. So, you know, right here, had to get the Rizos Curls detangling spray. And I had to pick up my tried and true oil. So people said if you use gel, you can use an oil after, and that'll get rid of the hard scrunch. This is what I have a hard time with. There are so many methods out on the internet. I looked at Pinterest, TikTok, Google, YouTube. Everyone does it different. So that's why I'm just so confused. And obviously everyone has different hair types, different textures, different thickness. So what works for someone might not work for me. What works for me might not work for you. So that's why I'm just gonna try it how I wanna try it, I guess. I don't know. So I did wash my hair last night and this is what it looks like, air dried. Obviously I need to like wet my hair again, and I'm gonna really saturate it because people say your hair needs to be very wet. So let me be right back. I'm gonna go wet my hair. It is saturated. I dumped it in the sink. So I got this leave-in conditioner because your hair is supposed to be very hydrated. So we're gonna try this Rizos leave-in conditioner. I'm just gonna spray this all throughout. Now the reason I never thought I had wavy hair, and if I say my hair is curly, I really mean wavy, is because I've been told my whole life I had straight hair. And literally, like when I blow dry my hair, it blow dries straight. Now it doesn't dry, like when I just let it air dry, it does dry a little, not even wavy, just like a little indent, you know? Yeah, I just always thought I had straight hair. I'm just going to brush because my hair is very fine and it gets so tangly. When I was in high school, I used to always scrunch my hair and I used to straighten my bangs, which so cringy when I think about it. I do have a little throwback picture of me from my freshman year of high school. You can see that is how my hair looked when I scrunch it, and it's really not that cute. My video that I posted on Instagram, I was actually using this microfiber like hair towel, and people were like, no, don't use that. Use a t-shirt. So I'm just gonna use my t-shirt to scrunch my hair. So I'm just anxious, like, can I make it curlier? Is it more than a wave, or I just don't know. So I'm just gonna get some of this moisture out of both sides. I think maybe I should be flipping my head over. Can you see me? Hello. Curl defining cream. This locks in moisture without leaving your hair greasy, creates bouncy, shiny, frizz-free, voluminous curls. Now her stuff, it does smell really good, so. Now, people say do the prayer method when you are applying your creams. So I'm doing the prayer method. I don't know, do I put this on my roots? Right, and then I guess I just scrunch again. Now I don't have a diffuser. I just gave my mother-in-law my diffuser because I was like, I'm not gonna use it. And then I decided to go on this journey and now I need my diffuser again. So do I get it back from her? I'm just kidding, I wouldn't do that. But I do need to get one. All right, so I guess now I go in with a mousse. People say just do like a little bit, not to do too much. So again, we're just gonna do the prayer method. And like, do I need a gel or do I not need a gel? I don't know, I don't understand. That's where I'm confused. I read that, you know, usually people with curlier hair use a gel versus people with wavy hair. I don't know, Maybe that's not true. I said I wasn't gonna use a lot of mousse and here I am using a lot of mousse. Hi! Where'd Nash go? He left. He said, I don't want to be a part of this.
Yeah, I know what two people that.
I don't have a diffuser, but I do have a heat protectant glove, so you can like touch your iron with this glove. I've actually seen someone stick a sock on their blow dryer to act as like a diffuser. Maybe I can, I don't think that's gonna work too well. All right, that kind of worked. I don't want to like mess with it too much because I was told to not mess with my hair a lot after I scrunch it. And I'm just gonna kind of let my hair air dry because I'm interested to see what it's gonna look like with these new products that I got. Bye, see you soon. I am back, it's been maybe an hour. I've been outside with my boys, drawing in chalk, watering, all that fun stuff. My roots are maybe like a smidge damp, but not really. And the rest of my hair is dry. And this is what we are working with. So I'm gonna do a full 360. I'm gonna come back, let you know what I think, and I wanna hear what you guys think. So I didn't use a hair oil because my hair doesn't really feel like crunchy or anything. It actually feels really good, but I'm just maybe gonna put a little bit of oil into my hair. Definitely would not say my hair is curly. That's a stretch. It's definitely wavy. It's almost like beach wavy kind of. I think it's really pretty and it's fun and it's different for me because I literally always do heatless curls. So seeing my hair like this, I actually am really enjoying it. But I would love to hear from you. Give me some tips, give me some recommendations for products or techniques, and I would love to come back and try them for you guys. I'm gonna try to do this routine, I don't know, maybe a few times a week and just see how my hair adapts. But yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you in my next one. Mwah! Bye.